Looking for a calm, modern space that feels both minimal and warm? Here's how to decorate Japandi, the perfect balance of Japanese simplicity and Scandinavian coziness. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration every day. If you're wondering how to decorate Japandi, the first rule is simple. Start with light wood. Light, oak, ash, and birch are not simply material choices, they are structural and emotional foundations in Japandi interiors. These pale-toned woods introduce clarity into a space. Their visual lightness supports the architectural intent of openness and restraint. Rather than dominating the environment, they provide a neutral but character-rich backdrop that enhances both light flow and spatial harmony. For furniture, these woods offer honest tactility. Softly rounded edges, matte finishes, and visible grain patterns bring the user into closer contact with the material. The goal is not visual perfection, but sensory integrity, allowing nature to speak through every surface. Wall treatments in vertical or horizontal light wood slats also serve a dual function. Aesthetically, they add depth and rhythm to flat surfaces, without relying on ornament. Functionally, they absorb and reflect light in gentle, controlled ways. In short, light wood is not a background element in Japandi interiors. It is a living, responsive material that ties together space, light, and human presence with precision and grace. Once the light wood sets the foundation, using minimal decor becomes essential to maintain visual clarity and spatial balance. Every object in the space must justify its presence, not through ornament, but through proportion, material, and relationship to surrounding elements. Minimal decor in Japandi is not the absence of design, but the refinement of it. Rather than filling walls with artwork or covering surfaces with accessories, Japandi interiors rely on spatial silence. A bare wall adjacent to a textured wooden panel becomes part of the rhythm. A single ceramic piece, placed with intent, carries more visual weight than a cluster of decorative items. The negative space around it is not left over, it's designed. For architects, this approach demands precision in layout, scale, and alignment. Lighting lines up with structure, furniture floats with room to breathe. Even circulation paths are kept generous, reinforcing a sense of ease and awareness. In Japandi, minimal decor isn't just a style, it's a spatial principle that honors both the architecture and the occupant, letting forms breathe and spaces feel calm. And once the space has been edited down to its essentials, muted colors become the quiet thread that ties everything together. In Japandi interiors, color is never loud, it's layered, softened, and deliberately restrained. Muted tones like warm greige, clay beige, soft olive, and dusty charcoal are chosen not for contrast, but for cohesion. These shades allow materials to remain the focus, not the pigment. From a design standpoint, muted colors serve as a stabilizing element. They reduce visual noise, allowing textures, light, and form to take precedence. Walls in pale mineral tones support the warmth of natural wood. Upholstery in stone or sand hues blend seamlessly with soft lighting. Even accent elements, a ceramic vase, a linen curtain, follow the same muted language. There are no hard breaks between zones, no visual clutter dividing functions. Instead, there's a smooth flow, wall to floor, furniture to fabric, all grounded in a shared tonal range of warm beige, soft greys, clay neutrals, and muted olive greens. These tones connect surfaces without interruption, allowing the architecture and materials to take the lead. And to truly decorate Japandi, ambient lighting is essential. It's what gives the space its rhythm, softness, and depth. In Japandi interiors, lighting is never harsh or centralized. Instead of direct ceiling fixtures, light is layered softly, diffused through rice paper shades, cast upward from recessed wall coves, or hidden beneath floating shelves. The goal is not to spotlight, but to wash. Ambient lighting plays a spatial role. It defines edges without drawing attention to itself. A cove light along a timber-slatted wall reveals material texture. A floor-level glow under a bench creates the illusion of floating mass. Small, indirect sources around the perimeter establish calm visual boundaries, replacing the need for dominant overhead fixtures. Color temperature is just as critical. Warm white lighting, around 2700K to 3000K, complements the muted palette and natural materials. It reinforces the sense of warmth without disrupting the neutrality of the space. From light to material, from color to decor, these are the essentials you need to truly decorate Japandi. A space where every choice is intentional, every detail is quiet, and nothing is without purpose. And if you'd like to decorate your own home in this way, you can use ArchiVinci, the tool we use throughout this video, to bring your Japandi vision to life.